The first, C program. A C program is made up of functions and variables. A function has some commands which specify the operations to be done, whereas variables store values which we are going to use in the operations of our program. Now let's jump into our first program, which is Hello World. Now the first line goes like #include stdio.h, where stdio stands for standard input output and h stands for header file. Now include is letting the standard input output header file into our program, means it is including the header file into our program. There is no rocket science behind it. Then the void main. Void stands for null, blank or nothing, and the main is a prime function which is written in each and every program of C language. You cannot write any C program without the main function because the execution of your program starts with the main function. Now next is printf. Printf stands for print function. It is used to print any string in the output. Now end of this line is happening with semicolon, which is used to end any line in programming. Similarly as we use full stop to end any sentence in English language. Now the braces. These braces describe the area of a function block. So that was our first C language program. If you found it helpful, then like this video, help your friends by sharing with them, and don't forget to subscribe the tag for similar helpful videos.